Welcome. In this updated guide, we will walk you through the steps to fix the Instagram app when it's not responding. Follow these solutions to address the issue. 1. Close and relaunch the app. Begin by closing the Instagram app completely and then relaunching it. This simple step can sometimes resolve minor glitches. 2. Restart your phone. Restart your phone to refresh its system and potentially resolve any underlying issues causing Instagram to not respond. 3. Clear Instagram. Cache. Clear the cache of the Instagram app on your device. This can help in getting rid of temporary data that might be causing the app to malfunction. 4. Check for updates. Ensure that your Instagram app is up to date. Updating the app to the latest version can fix bugs and improve performance. 5. Force stop the app. Access your device settings, find the Instagram app, and force stop it. This action can halt any background processes that may be hindering the app's functionality. 6. Check Instagram's server status. Verify if Instagram's servers are experiencing any issues by checking their status online. Server problems can sometimes lead to app unresponsiveness. 7. Try the Instagram web version. If the app continues to be unresponsive, try accessing Instagram through the web version on a browser. 8. Uninstall and reinstall Instagram. If all else fails, uninstall the Instagram app and reinstall it from the App Store. This can often resolve persistent issues. 9. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can affect the app's performance. 10. Log out and log back in. Log out of your Instagram account and then log back in. This can refresh your account settings and potentially fix the unresponsiveness. 11. Enable or disable VPN. If you are using a VPN, try enabling or disabling it to see if it impacts the app's responsiveness. 12. Ensure background data is not restricted. Check your device settings to ensure that background data usage is not restricted for the Instagram app. Restrictions can hinder app performance. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix the Instagram app when it's not responding. Thank you for watching, and we hope these solutions help you resolve any issues you may encounter with the Instagram app.